Why this recording option is not enabled? Okay, now it is enabled. Okay, so today we will discuss about how to create the elements. Yesterday we discussed about how to create the elements dynamically. Am I right? Now, from today onwards, we will be focusing on the different other things like uh, how to change the colors and the by using the JavaScript, how to handle, how to manipulate the colors, etc. We will try to see that how to add the how to fetch the animations like that. Wow. So now we will try to create the this email. What is a text box also? Shall we do that? Shall we do that? Creating the email text box. Okay. Else we will try something different. Okay. We will try little bit different. Let me create a simple folder. This is Mintra, right? Okay. I'm adding one more index file. Let's say shopping.html. So here, when I'm going to click on the register, when I'm clicking on the register, I would like to go to the shopping.html. Let me take this area. Okay. Now my app is ready. I would like to create the simple HTML that is containing the shopping related information. Okay. That is containing the shopping related information. I'm creating a folder called images. I'm creating a folder called images and let me download mobile images. Save as E drive March. Save it and then take this one. Save images to. Okay. Now I have two mobile images. Now what I would like to do is I would like to create a table. I would like to create a table and I would like to display the shopping information. So for that I'm taking the help of table. The class equal to container. Give I'm creating a simple table and I'm giving an ID to it. Sales table. And now here what I'm doing is I'm creating the headers. PH company, and then I'm creating the company, and then PH model, and then finally I'm using the PH price. How many things I'm having? Model, company, and price. Now what I would like to do is I would like to display the what you say, I would like to display the list of mobiles in this particular page. So app sales.js. I have a sales.js file also available now. I will be writing the immediate functions. I will be writing the immediate functions. Now what I will be having, I am saying this dot uh, gadgets equal to, I'm giving an array of gadgets here. So what are I having? I'm having the mobile company as Apple, model 6s, price 65,000. Similarly, I'm having another one, company Samsung, model. What is the model? Let's say Edge 7, price 50,000. Now how many mobiles I'm having? And then image URL equal to image URL. We have the image URL site. You can directly take these URLs also, no problem. Okay, I'll be taking the local images. App slash imgs images slash 2.jpg. Here app slash images slash. So now our table is ready. That means the data is ready. Am I correct? Is the data ready now? Oh, thank you. Data is ready. Now what we need to do? Now, do we need to create the table and we need to bind this data to the table? Am I correct? We need to bind the data to the table. So what I'm doing is first I'm creating the this dot. I'm writing a function called create function, create table row. I am creating the table row here. I'm creating the table row here where row equal to document dot create element tr. So what it is doing, it is going to create you the table row, and then what we need to do, where column for company. where column for company equal to simple document dot create element for TD. Again, column for model, another TD, because the table will be containing TRs and TDs. Am I right?
Yes.
Column for price,
Right.
document dot create element TD. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I will be passing in thing. Okay. So this is done. Now what I need to do for function build table. I'm simply saying display gadgets. I'm simply saying display gadgets. Now I have the gadgets, right? For where I equal to 0, I less than gadgets dot length. What does this mean? I plus plus. What does this mean? As many gadgets I'm having, those many times I need to create the table row. That is what it is meaning. Create table row of gadgets of I. So that means here I will be getting the gadget details. Is this clear? Or any questions? Can we create TH? We can create the TH also, Chandana. Just you need to give TH there. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. So for column for company dot inner HTML equal to gadget dot company. Similarly, column for model dot inner HTML equal to gadget dot model. Very simple. Column for price dot inner HTML equal to gadget dot price. So now is the gadget ready? I mean, is the TDs are ready? Are the TDs ready or not? We need to create TTDs and one TR, right? We need to create TTDs and one TR. And now I'm attaching the TD to TR. Attach the TD to the TR. First, what we need to attach? Row dot append child. Row dot append child of what? First column for company. Row dot append child of column for model. Row dot append child of column for price. Column for price. Now what I'm doing here is I'm returning this row. I'm returning this row where created where row created equal to this. Now what I'm doing where table equal to is it what a table name? Table sales. Okay. So this is what our table name. Now what I'm doing, I will be attaching this row to the table. So now gadget table dot append child. Now, are you able to understand what am I doing? Simple. So first display gadgets will get executed. It is taking the gadgets table. So fetch the reference to the uh, table sales and then create rows, create rows that are equal to the number of gadgets. For that this for loop and this one create table row. So this is creating the table row here. And then this one creates the column. This one creates the column. And then what is this inner HTML? It is going to attach the HTML for it. And then row dot append change this one. Now let us refer this shopping sales.js here. Save it and run it. Do you see company, Apple, model, price, everything we are getting here? Is it what our table is or not? Any questions for me?
No, Kiran.
Is it straightforward? Pardon me?
Volume of TD.
Pardon me? ED.
TD here TH TD.
We can use
I
some.
think you
Got it.
because you change to heading to the regular data.
Right.
Yeah.
You need to do a th. I think th heading.
We can do anything, no problem. TR for TH, anything is
Yeah.
fine. So yeah, we got the Apple, Samsung model, everything we are getting, right? Now, how to add the image? Do we need to get the image element now or not? We need to create the image element also, right? Because we have an image also. Shall we create that? So now we need to create the column for where? Column for image equal to document dot again create element img. I'm creating the image and then now I have to create the source for this, right? Column for image dot column for image dot attributes or I can say src equal to app slash images slash so already this one is there, right? Gadget.image URL. Let us see what it is giving inside the console. Column for image. It should create the image in the image format so that we can easily do it. Save it. Let us see. It's not loaded. Did we saved it or not?
I think we need to write one more column in the HTML.
Yeah, we need to write. We will write. That's not a problem. Wow, is it what we are expecting? Image source, right? This is what we are expecting. Wow. Now what I'm doing, I'm attaching this one to the TD. Which TD? Now let us see. Oh, path is incorrect. That's fine. App slash images 2.jpg. Is the path right or wrong? That's what I'm just thinking. The image is not there.
I think the images are not inside the app folder.
Oh, they're outside the app folder. That's fine. That's fine. Just we will say, we'll go to the this one and then here sales. I can go here, simply say this. Now this will work, right? Wow. Now, are you getting the same shopping experience? Almost, right?
Yes.
Image. And then if you want to set the properties like width and height, if you want to set, you can set that width and height. You can set the width and height. Uh, so for that, you need to set the style property for it, right? Column for image dot style equal to width colon 100 pixel comma height colon 100 pixel. I'm giving the width and height for this particular image. So it is getting okay, right? Now you tell me, is JavaScript good, simple enough to do the things, or is it complex? All the thing is, we just need to understand how the things are, how we are doing it. That's it. Any questions? Are we able to build this particular one easily? Now, if you want to add some anchor tag around it, you can add the anchor tag also. Do you want to add the anchor tag and take you to the Apple iPhone? So when you're clicking on it, you would like to go to iPhone, right? So let me do that. Okay. I want you to go here, right? So what I'm doing is I will be creating an anchor tag around it. I will be creating an anchor tag. Document.create element. Now what I'm creating simple anchor tag and create anchor dot href equal to, I'm giving this, okay, and then now what I need to do, I need to what you say append this image to this anchor, and then I need to append that anchor for this. Create anchor dot uh, append child, create anchor dot append child, column for image, and then here I'm attaching the this. Create element of another TD, create image, so this is creating the image, this is creating the anchor tag, and then anchor tag is image is appended to the anchor tag, and then anchor tag is appended to the column. Copy it and do it here. Dot append child of create anchor. So anchor tag is created. Okay, anchor tag is created, and you are appending that anchor tag to the column for image. And image is created. You are appending the image for the this one. It is a little bit tricky, but try to understand. Let me open this. Let me open short.html. Run it. Okay. So now, do you see? If I'm going to click on this, I'm going to the iPhone site. Go back. If I'm going to click on this, I would like to go to the which site? Samsung site, right? Samsung Edge. Let's add that. Now, will this give you the idea how to go how to create the sites like this? Will this going to give you the idea how to create these sites like this? You need to understand the what to say, how to do the what is your approach. Okay, gadget.site URL, can I do that? Now, it is perfectly created one now. What happened? Oh, I didn't put the comma here. Image URL, after the image URL, I did not put the comma.
And site URL.
Right. No, not inside URL here. Image URL next to the
No, no.
image.
For the company Apple, there is only URL. Instead of
Oh,
URL,
you're right. Good. Good catch. Okay, now if I'm going to click on it, it is taking me to the Apple. And if I'm going to click on this, it is taking me to the Samsung. So now, can you create a nice site? You have the registration, you have the data also, right? Any questions for me?
Okay.
Okay. Now, if I want to add the effects, that means if I'm moving my mouse on particular, this one, where in a table row, if I'm moving my mouse in a table row, I would like to change the background color to some light gray. Can I do that? How to do that?
Like add events
Yeah.
to
So
the
we
mouse
need to
over.
add the event listener to the mouse over of what? To the mouse over of TD,
Mhm.
right? To the mouse over of table, I just want to I just want to capture the TDs, and then I would like to capture the, of course I can do it through the CSS, that is fine, but I would like to explain you through the, what you say, JavaScript. Attach events, I'm simply saying attach events, document dot get elements by tag name, I'm simply saying TD, and then where TD equal where TD equal to. So now what I'm doing, if I'm moving my mouse, I would like to highlight that TD, and if I mouse enter and mouse sleep, I would like to remove that. So how to do that? I can do it through the CSS. Right now I will be doing with the, what you say, JavaScript, for where I equal to 0, I less than TD dot length I plus plus TD of I dot add event listener. What is the event listener that I would like to add? Mouse over, comma, function. Here directly I'm writing mouse over, comma,
Karen,
function.
you need to make a space after VRI. I think otherwise they will give error.
Oh, right. Great. TD of I, add event listener. Okay, you are adding the event listener here, mouse over. TD of I dot style dot style equal to background hyphen color colon light gray. Okay, now what I'm doing, I have to attach the events. Should I do it for the TRs or the TDs? I should do it for the TRs, right? Not the TDs. For each and every TR that I'm doing, for each row, I need to highlight. Okay, now this is perfect. This is perfect. Now what I want to do, I need to go to my display gadgets method and I need to
The
call this.
function here inside the
Line
function.
line 72
Mhm.
TR.
Just mouse over and just setting it to light gray. On mouse sleeve, I would like to remove it to the color normal, empty background color I would like to give. Now observe how it is going to work. Oh my goodness. Style of undefined. TR dot. Okay, let us debug. So TR of I. Okay, let us see. Console. TR of I dot. Style is not there, but it is giving the style, right? TR of I itself is undefined. Why is undefined? Oh, so here I should not use TR of I. Instead, simply I should use this. I should use this there. Let me see whether I should be able to use this there or not. So this is giving the TR, right? That means I'm in the context of that. So I should use this instead of the TR. No errors. Now going back here, is it giving you nice effect? Of course, it's bit wide, but yeah, it is giving you the same mouse hovering effect, right? The moment you are moving your mouse, it is giving you that nice effect of changing the background color. Of course, styling is not that good, but this is how you are going to do it. Am I clear? Swami, are we good?
Yes, Kiran.
Anyone having questions? You can ask me. Why we use this? Very good question. See, whenever you are, once you are moving your mouse, what will happen is you are triggering this event listener, right? You are triggering the event listener for what? For the mouse over. Mouse over to whom? Mouse over to which element? To the TR. Am I correct? You are already in the you are attached the event listener to the TR. That means the context of the event listener will be now TR only. The context of the event listener will be TR now. That is the reason why we are using this statement there. Got it? Any questions? Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you tomorrow. In next session, I mean probably tomorrow is Ugadi, the Telugu festival here. Still, we are going to take this session. Day after tomorrow, the session is not there. I'm traveling. So your session will be back. Tomorrow you have a session, and then the next session will be again you don't have your Friday session. The next session will be on your Monday for US folks. And for the Indian folks, Tuesday. Tomorrow we have this session, okay? Yeah, I'll be sending you the link. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.